guys. It's super early. Neighbours are gonna hate me. Sun's coming up.
Thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game cause I never got it my way. Never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot but then I gave a lot and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So we're out at QR. And it's just like a happy lap session, so 90 minutes of just cruising around and just racing on the straights. It's heaps of fun. It's pretty much like highway runs but legally. It's only 60 bucks, so it's a good event. The weather is perfect, so that's freaking awesome. It's been absolutely bucking it down for the last 2 weeks. That's why I've been a while since the last video, and the heaps of events have been cancelled because of the rain. But thanks to all the new people subscribing. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the constructive criticism. It helps me learn. I'm loving doing it. It's so much fun. And I'm going to get some drone footage, GoPro footage, and we'll put it all together.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose.
So we went out, done a few laps, and I think the diff is making a few clonking noises, but we let it cool down, so we'll give it another go, see how it goes. Hopefully it's just too hot and the liquid is like thinned out. So I'm going to take it back out and see how it goes, but I do need to drive back to the Gold Coast, so I don't want to break it. Guys, we've had a casualty here. So, dumbass me put the GoPro behind my seat, and then I slid my seat back and crushed the camera. That's not good. It sucks, but anyway, had a good day. Luckily my mate Jacob, he brought some E85 with him, just in a jerry can, like a legend, and so now I have enough fuel to get back, so, or get to the next servo anyway. So the car went all good, but there is one clonking noise from the diff, pretty sure it's from the diff, but I don't know, just keep driving it, see what happens. You know how it is. 180 life. Jay-Z action. So that's a wrap here, guys. Thanks to everyone for coming and saying hello. It was awesome to meet you guys. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, drop a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well, because that will give you a notification when I upload a video, and I've got a heap coming.